Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. If this is your first time stopping by, I'm so glad you're here. My channel focuses on giving people money-saving tips, tricks, and ideas. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And if you want to get a notification each time I post a new video, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, so in my video today, I'm going to be telling you about the best deals I grabbed over at CVS for the week. I'm also going to take a minute to answer some questions that I've been hearing lately. One, people have been messaging me and asking how they sign up for the email and text alerts from CVS. So I've been posting over on my Instagram, Save with Christina, different emails and texts that I've been getting from CVS. They've been sending me coupons like $5 off a $30 purchase or a free item or like $3 to spend. So you definitely don't want to miss out on those. So if you want to sign up for text and email alerts, this is how you do that. You go into the CVS app, you click on your account, then at the very top, you're gonna see your extra care account. Click on that, and then you'll see both email and text preferences. I have mine turned on because I wanna be able to get those coupons that they might be sending. The second question that I've gotten recently is about CarePass. I talked about it in my last video, and so I've had some people asking me about it. What is CarePass? Why would I want it or not want it? So right now, they're actually running a promo where you can try out the first month of CarePass completely free. So if you want to check it out or you've been thinking about it, this is the time. I will drop a link for that down in the video description box. And so this is the premise. You sign up for CarePass. You can either pay $5 per month or you can pay for the year, which is what I did, for $48. Now, initially I was like, why am I going to pay for something at CVS? I already get plenty of extra care bucks. But let me tell you why and why I continue to do it. Every single month, they give you $10 in extra care bucks in your account to spend. I paid $4 a month. They're giving me $10 a month. I do shop at CVS quite frequently, so for me, it was worth it. But you also get 20% off on any CVS branded items, as well as, and a follower mentioned this last week because I forgot to say it. It also qualifies you for free shipping to your home if you like online shopping. So as long as there's at least one item in your cart that ships free with CarePass, your whole order will ship free. So that's pretty cool. And I forgot to mention that last week. So thank you to the person that reminded me of that. Anyway, if you want to try it out, you can try it out this month for free. Then after that, you would pay either that $5 per month or the $48 for the year. Again, I'll drop that link down in the video description box. Now, clearance at CVS was pretty amazing this week. My Easter stuff was still just 50% off. I'm going to include tons of pictures at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. Lots of food at 70% off. And then, like I said, I have a bunch of pictures to show you. I only grabbed 2 clearance items. My store still has these cleaning products at 90% off. So these were originally $5, $4.99. I got it for 50 cents. And they were back towards the pharmacy in my store, which was kind of weird, but that's where I found them, along with other cleaning items, also 90% off. I just didn't grab any because we didn't need any. The other thing I got were and you can tell I've already eaten some of them, the gold emblem. This is the fancy cashews, but it's the little packs inside. These were originally $8 on clearance for $2. So I went ahead and grabbed this, but there were lots of food items on clearance. I didn't purchase them because we wouldn't eat them, but I do have pictures at the end of the video. Now, let me tell you about a deal you definitely want to take advantage of. Grab the products that make the most sense for you, but you can definitely score some free Covergirl makeup. So these are the 2 that I bought. I bought the eye pencil, the Perfect Blend. This is a little bit more expensive than like the eyebrow pencils, but this is something that I would use. So this is $6.99. I then grabbed the Covergirl concealer. I also used this. This is $7.79 in my store. Now, there are a few coupons in your app, so check your app. You should see a $3 digital coupon for the eye, a $4 digital coupon for the face. If you don't, there are printable coupons that you can use, and I will link those down in the video description box under printable coupons. There is also a $4 Covergirl CRT that everyone should get this week, and so you can stack all of those coupons. So I paid $3.78, but this week Covergirl is on promotion for buy two, get $6 in extra care bucks. So I got $6 back, making my final cost completely free and a $2.22 moneymaker. Let me tell you about a deal that anyone can do this week at CVS. These Colgate Optic whites are $3.99 each, but when you buy two, you get $5 in extra care bucks back, and there is a $2 digital coupon. So you buy two, minus that $2 coupon, you'll pay $5.98. You'll get $5 in extra care bucks back, making your final cost 98 cents or just 49 cents each. Now, you guys know that I get toothpaste for free all the time, so this is not something that I would normally buy because even at 49 cents, it's more expensive than what I would normally pay. But if you have one of those $5 off a $30 purchase like I did, that's an easy item to get you closer to that $30 to get the $5 off, which then would make your toothpaste completely free. So let me show you how I used my $5 off a $30 purchase that I got in my email this week. I grabbed razor blades and razors. Y'all know how expensive razor blades are. This was literally, before I started couponing, the thing I hated when my husband would say, we need razor blades, because razor blades are so expensive. But I was able to snag a fantastic deal on these, so let me show you how. I grabbed one of the Schick disposable razors at $5.99 on sale this week. There is a $4 digital coupon, making it just $1.99. Now, I also grabbed the Bulldog razor blades. My store had these priced at $12.49. And then I grabbed the Schick Quattro razor blades. These were $15.49. That was the cheapest one I could find. Now, the razor blades are on promotion for buy two, get $10 in extra care box. So those were the items that I bought. These are the coupons I had. I had a $5 off a $30 purchase from my email. I had a $4 coupon for the Bulldog razor blades. I had a $6 CRT for the Schick razor blades, as well as a $4 digital for the Schick razor blades. In addition to that $4 digital I had for the disposable razors, I paid $10.97 total. I got back $10 in extra care box, making it 97 cents for all three of those items. So amazing deal on, what was that, over $30 worth of items for 97 cents. Score. Let's see. I think it's diapers that are left. So there were a couple of diaper deals this week. I did them both. There was a Huggies deal, spend 20, get 5. There was a Pampers deal, spend 30, get 10. I had a $5 off a $30 baby purchase. So let me tell you how that works out. I grabbed 2 packages of the Pampers Easy Ups and then 1 package of the Ninjamas. All 3 were $10.99, okay? I had the 5 off 30 baby purchase CRT. I had a $3 Easy Ups digital and a $2 Ninjamas digital. So I paid $22.97 for all 3 of them. I got back $10 in extra care box for spending $30, making my final cost $12.97 for all 3, or just $4.32 a pack. And for me, anything less than $5 a pack for diapers is a great deal. Now, how the Huggies worked out. So I was tired last night. I shopped Walgreens and CVS in the same day, which I find absolutely exhausting, in addition to, momming and all the other things that I try to accomplish on Sundays. So I'm going to show you what I did, and then I'm going to tell you how you can do it even better. I grabbed 2 packages of the Huggies Little Movers. They were buy one, get one half off. So one was $13.79. $13.79. The second one is gonna ring up half off at $6.89. I had a $2.50 digital for this, as well as a $2.50 coupon from the April 3rd Smart Source. I paid $15.68 total. I got back the $5 in extra care bucks for spending $20. Now, here's where I was tired and I screwed up. There is an Ibotta offer for $1 back on the Huggies Snug and Dry. So I should have bought the Snug and Dry, not the little movers. So buy the Snug and Dry, should be the exact same price, but you're gonna get $1 back on Ibotta for each of them. So $2 back on Ibotta, making your final cost $8.68 or just $4.34 each. So again, under $5, that's kind of my price point for diapers. So those were the items that I grabbed at CVS this week. Don't forget, and this is another savings program that I always almost forget to tell you guys about. If you buy Procter & Gamble products like these products here, the Ninjamas and the Easy Ups, submit your receipt to the PG Good Rewards program because they give you points for the Procter & Gamble products that you buy, and then you can convert those points to gift cards. So I'll get 150 points back for buying the diapers, and then I can cash out those points to different rewards. I always do gift cards, and the equivalent is 750 points for a $5 gift card. If you want to join that program, completely free to join. It's something I've been using for a while and I love it. I will drop a link to it down in the video description box. If y'all have questions, please let me know. I hope y'all are having a great start to your week. Also, don't forget to check out my Walgreens haul. Lots of great deals over there and some great freebies, so definitely check out that video as well. Thanks.